morning. I slept at Keene Lake. I think mile marker at 352 on Route 6. There's a lot of hills out here. It was really cold last night. I'm trying to get better at camping. It was hard. I'm having a good time. It's a really cool waterfall. Shapola Falls. Yeah, everything's good. Really set up. I'm sleeping on my camelback. I'm using my tent. My hammock is a blanket. It was cold last night, and I miss you, Jess. Miss Jess. Okay. Okay. We're going like 40 miles today to Yogi Bear. And, I just made it to Yogi Bear campgrounds. It's actually called Cozy Creek now. You can see the creek. It's very cozy. Yeah, I pretty much have the entire place to myself. Again, nobody's out here camping at all the whole time. I have like 10 campgrounds. It's a very lovely day today. I got off of Route 6 and knocked out 40 miles. So, finishing my day 2, and yeah, just getting ready to unpack. Finished here with this book, done. Dad's got my back. Just gonna unpack everything and chill out for the evening and eat some Subway. So, a little tired. Probably look like hell, but see you soon. So I am all set up during the second evening of this event on my bike. I'm at Cozy Creek. Here is the awesome creek that I am chilling in the hammock, having a good time. I'm probably not going to fall asleep on this hammock, but you know, it's just nice to have. And I ate some Subway earlier. Probably gonna eat some PBJ. I don't really have anything to cook on this awesome fire. I mean, that would be the bomb. But got the whole campground to myself. Just chilling. Oh yeah, here's the beautiful sunset going on over here. So, I mean, it is pretty picturesque. Just hanging. Got a lot of bug spray on, because there are bugs out here. But, yep. Feeling good. I think I have like 300 10 miles, 20 miles. So a lot of climbing tomorrow. But loving life right now.
Hey, good morning. This is the start of day 3. It was really cold last night. I slept right by the creek side, Cozy Creek, right by the fire. I was still freezing. I used my hypothermia blanket and stuff. And my socks are nice and warm and everything, my feet. Pretty good. So we're at the town meeting today. No. That would be awesome. It's in Towanda, so I'm leaving Tuckerville County, Acres. But feeling good. A lot of climbing today.
Found a way to kill me yet. Eyes burn with sting and sweat. Seems every path leads me to nowhere. Wife and kids, household pet. Army green was no safe bet. The bullets screamed to me from somewhere. Yeah, they come to snuff the rooster. Yeah, here come the rooster.
Okay, so I'm at River Acres Campground. It's pretty cool. It's only $20. I'm right next to the Susquehanna River. Got a little salmon and beans cooking over here next to Bill. And yeah, I'm actually going to be sleeping on a couch, which is great. Especially if I'm getting pretty tired with all these hills. You know, yeah, it's good. Dad's got my back. Keep coming back. Yeah, the water doesn't work or anything. Whoa! First time that's happened. Well, water doesn't work at all, but that's cool with me. And the electric works. Got my bags. Probably gonna snag one of these nice, really soft blankets over here. Oh wait, I have lights. Where are my lights? Look, I have a light. That's good to me. I'm gonna check on my pasta. Make sure that didn't blow over. Okay, looking good out there. Good. So yeah, chilling. About 125 miles deep, 275 left. Got my bike in the camper. There's a bed back here, but she asked me not to sleep in it, which is cool. It's all good. Just wash my clothes up. I'm getting pretty good, not too grizzly. Got a big day tomorrow, and should be good. Alright, see you tomorrow.
Walking tall machine gun man. They spit on me and my homeland.
Hello. So I had an interesting experience. I was just hanging out over by this door, eating some soup and black beans. And the dog came up, and then the owner of the dog came up and was hanging out. His name is Jordan, and he's a really cool guy. He had a bus that had a roof deck on top of the bus and a shower attached to the side of the bus. And Jordan and Hope live in the bus, and they're awesome, and they gave him free paps and a Victor 3 gold monkey, now I'm drunk. Which is cool. I mean, I like it. It's nice. So now I'm just sleeping in this camper on the couch, chilling in Towanda. And I'm gonna sign off and good night. See you.
You know he ain't gonna die.
Alright, well, this is the beginning of day 4. I'm still in the trailer, hanging tough, just about ready to go. Got everything packed up. I'm in Towanda right now, and I had salmon and what else? What did I have over here? Black-eyed peas, and I had a pretty good meal last night. It was good. Got a lot of good pictures. I stayed out of the rain. It rained really bad last night, which I'm really grateful that Joanne hooked me up. And I was chilling with many people last night. It was a great time. So, oh no, my teeth are getting so nasty. I'm brushing my teeth every day, but still, it's fucking nasty out here. Got some big hills today, like every day, and starting off day 4, making it out pretty far. Not even sure how far I'm gonna get today, but it'll be good. Come in with an afternoon report. Hanging out for a little break. Took me 3 hours to go 20 miles. There's a lot of wind today, but it is fucking nice out here, man. There's a lot of trucks on the road too, so it should take me a while. Be super safe. Things are going pretty good. Getting tired, but digging deep. Jess is putting on some dysrhythmia. So am I. So it'll be fun. We'll hang out. Well, I'm on my way. I just entered Troy, and I'm on my way to Mansfield, which is another 20 miles away. Right. I got it. Over and out. So, this is the end of day 4. I'm in Mansfield, Pennsylvania. I'm sleeping next to a children's railroad tracks over here. I go into the woods. There is a carousel. Place is pumping. MC Hammer. There's my setup over here this evening. Just chilling. I'm ready for the storm. All my stuff is under here. And I paid $20 to stay here, so I had to leave at 9 a.m., which sucks. But you know, here's my bike. Locked up. I probably don't even need to lock it. This is like the safest place in the world. It's a pretty nice day. I had a really good day. So, signing off once again, Hilariousville, and see you soon.
And warm, comfortable, in Mansfield at Bucktail Campgrounds. Just slept in my tent. Everything. And I thought it was supposed to rain and storm. Here's my sunblock. Hi sunblock, good morning. I'm tired. Oh, rah 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 rah. I'm gonna go to the PA Grand Canyon today. It should be a good time. Yeah, it's not far, 23 miles. But the hills. It's always the story of the hills, but they're big. So, signing off. Good morning. Oh yeah, I'm going to Sheetz to get a breakfast sandwich and coffee, which I'm super excited for. So excited for that shit. Okay, signing off. See you soon.
Jessica, this is what you're missing out on. There's windmills all the way in the back of this next valley, or whatever the fuck it is. It's so big, wide open. Oh, here's other windmill things. Couple cars. Hi. Here's my section of the road. Right next to the gutter. I love you. Okay, so my luck continues to be astronomical. I'm inside a cabin. I paid $25, and they knew that I was coming into town last night. She said, the lady in Canyon County campground said not to come because it's so hilly and dark, and it was supposed to rain. The road was extremely hard, and she probably saved my life. And I showed up today, and they were like, "You're here!" And they took a picture of me because they love Cliff Bars and a big Cliff thing up front, and fucking like a rock and roll. Look, I have a bed today. Bed. Get my bike in here. I don't have to undo my tent. I have a heater. Look, I have a shelf. And I'm going out to dinner with Diane and Gus in Wellsboro. That should be fun. And I'm gonna take a shower before I go there, but I'll have to show you the bed. It's a beautiful place. Cabin in the woods. I got my little fire ring. That's it, really. It's big, but it's beautiful. Look at this rain gutter too. It's pretty funny. Goes straight across into the tree, out through the tree. That's the whole thing. A little chill camp. Bench. Got to see the PA Grand Canyon. yeah, he's my spot. Really hooked me up. And it's very fortunate. Gives me high hopes. Over and out. I went out to dinner with these folks. It was hilarious. Okay, starting off day number 6. It might be a little dark in here because I'm on top of the tower overlooking this 300. And this right over here, woods, or the PA Grand Canyon all the way down there, just looks like a little divot. It's fucking awesome. There's hell up here. Hello! It's awesome, and can't believe I'm out here. So beautiful. I'm just gonna chill up here before I start my day 6. Going. I'll be crossing the halfway point hopefully today. That would be really good for me to do that. I slept in a cabin. I met friends last night, Klaus and Diane and their dog Buckley, and they took me out to this Greek restaurant. So random. I got a cabin when I came into town. Everyone was like happy I made it. It's really fortunate. Falling upon some good Irish luck. So hopefully I keep that going. And you know, a big day to ride today, but it's supposed to rain. But you know what? It's beautiful right now, so just keep this with me and keep on trucking. See a road all the way out there. That might be my road. Not sure, but alright. Colin McCardle. This one's for you, buddy. Champion road runner. Oh my fucking god. 4. Hello, Brian Kelly reporting here. I'm at Allegheny River Campgrounds. It's basically just everyone has RVs, and then I just have a gigantic field of nothing. So I'm definitely afraid of bears. So I'm getting drunk. I chugged like 3 beers. I feel good. I'm gonna chug another. Feel great. Here's my little tent. Here's the Allegheny River. Right over here. And then I actually have my own porta potty, which is where I'll run to when bear comes. And I got my bags over here. It's the furthest I've ever really had them away from a kid. But yeah, it was a crazy day today. I went up Denton Hill, which is like the ski lodge around here, and it was like 2,400 feet. It took forever. I was like going delirious. I thought I was going downhill, but I was going uphill. I was very confused. And that's some funny kid stuff. Along the way, I asked me what the fuck I was doing, and I met some cool people and bombed some huge hills. Oh, it was a good day. I came from the PA Grand Canyon and had to go up all those hills and then add another 40 miles. I don't know, my odometer is broken, but I'm pretty sure it was like over 40 miles. I was smoking this morning, so it was a 7-hour day. But not complaining, just enjoying the view. So I'm 230 miles deep, I'm at 170 miles. Feeling pretty good, staying strong, and I'm gonna get drunk tonight. Hello, good morning. Day 7, reporting from Allegheny River Campground. Just chilling, planning out my next stuff. Feeling pretty good. Thinking about riding 40 plus miles today after yesterday. Haven't had a full day's rest. Let me just show you what I'm working with here. It's pretty awesome when I look outside of my tent. Extremely awesome. These big old mountains. And I'm just waking up. It's so nice. I'm gonna lock my bike. I don't think anyone's even gonna see it. This is the river over here I was trying to show you last night. Just kind of looks like a creek. I'm gonna attempt to cook a pound of bacon right now. Oh, here's my personal porta potty out here. The sun's so bad I can't even see. Things are going really good. Definitely. A little tired, but not as achy as I thought. I'm 230 miles deep. I got 170 left, and I'm heading towards Kinzu Bridge today, which is another one of my main attractions, and I'm super pumped for it. So I don't know if I can stay there or what. I'm gonna get on this bacon and head out to the bridge. Okay, bacon update, 2012. Accomplished, somehow. Probably the hardest thing I'm going to do on this entire trip is make this bacon. I'm going to make a sandwich, and I'm going to fill it with honey and Cliff Bars, and it's going to be fucking radical. Very proud. Double cut on this shitty aluminum fucking thing. On this wet wood. So happy. Couldn't be happier.
Is covered with a purple gown as I ride through the hills today. The breeze is chilly as the sun goes down, and we know that winter's on its way. When the days grow shorter and the nights grow long, I'll dream beside my campfire then, leisurely strumming on my old guitar when the winter winds are blowing again. When the winter winds are blowing from the west and the pale moon rises o'er the mountain crest, I'll cover my pony with a rug of fur, roll up in my blankets then. For summer is over and the nights grow long and the winter winds are blowing again. Silence is broken by a dingo's call, way up in the mountain high. The cattle are bedded by the waterfall, to the ranchlands I'll never say goodbye. When the days grow shorter and the nights grow long, I'll dream beside the campfire then, leisurely strumming on my old guitar when the winter winds are blowing again. When the winter winds are blowing from the west and the pale moon rises o'er the mountain crest, I'll cover my pony with a rug of fur, roll up in my blankets then. For summer is over and the nights grow long and the winter winds are blowing again. for summer is over and the night's grown long.
Free night right next to the pond. So that's nice. You got the pond. I chose right next to the shower. So I have a nice shower right next to me. It's a really nice campground. There's like black bunnies that are just free that roam around. And it's pretty awesome. Got my fire pit. Got my tent. All these acres and acres back here. I don't really know what's back there, but it's just to have room. So I'm chilling. It's a bummer I gotta fix my bike, but I'm gonna get some pasta and a couple beers and be feeling good. I'm at mile marker 133. I'm gonna backtrack to see the bridge tomorrow, but I'm getting there. Over now. Okay. Well, that was the end of day 7. We're from Caledonia River. Campground to Footrest Campground in King. I'm just past the Kingston Bridge. It's going pretty good. I just talked to Steffi and my inner tube broke. I'm kind of trying to ride my bike to the bar again. I'm gonna get chicken dinner or something like slamming like that. This dude, Tom, who owns this place, he hooked me up with a free night. Okay, good afternoon, 12:30. All packed up, ready to go. It's day 8. Here's my bike, rocking my awesome American flag. It's nice. I had a flat tire. I couldn't figure it out. Jack tried to help me. It's a little disheartening that I can't do that. Very disheartening. Right. But Tom helped me, the guy who let me stay here for free last night, which is very nice of him. But I offered to mow his front yard, which I have already done, and that was really good. Almost felt like a different way to stretch. Right here, so it was a nice night. There's bunny rabbits all over the place. Back there, I don't know if you can see them. But it's nice, and I decided not to go back to the bridge. I'm gonna try to make it home for Jess's birthday, which I really hope works. So I want to see that bridge, but I want to make Jess happy too. Love you, sweetheart. And I'm trucking a lot of miles today, and a lot of it's downhill, I think. So different story than uphill. It's a little cloudy. I don't know if it's gonna rain. I hope not. And just gonna keep on trucking. Alrighty. Okay, Brian Kelly reporting here. A little light malfunction here. It's gonna be a rough one. Rough reporter in here tonight. Okay. Here's my fire. Yeah, so I really am the luckiest dude possible. I ran into these folks, Dave and Beth, here at Hare Creek Campgrounds. Couldn't be nicer. Gave me like 5 beers, Coors Light, Silver Bullet, Smith hot dogs, ketchup, mustard, buns. Chilled at their place for a while. Today was crazy. Like, I mowed Tom's lawn today over at Restfoot Campground, and I raced a kid on a quad, and I won. And I was on my bicycle. I beat him. I drank straight off a brook. That was awesome. Past Route 666. It was a little nutty. Just out here. He freaking built the fire. The thing is monster. It doesn't look that big on the screen, but I assure you, biggest fire I've had yet. So, I mean, my luck is just going real good. Things are working out great. Plus, I trucked 67 miles today. Trying to surprise Jess and get home on her birthday. So I didn't go to the bridge today. I'm just trying to keep with it, and I'm at mile marker 63, something insane like that. I'm about to finish the whole thing. It's great, but it's a little sad too, because it's so freaking beautiful out here. But I mean, it's gotta stop sometime. Gotta get back to real life. So, but this is far from real life because I'm getting free things everywhere I go. It's just unbelievable. People are really, 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 really nice out here. So, about to cook up some dogs. I got a free internet connection tonight because I'm the man. Apparently, the luckiest guy in the fucking world. Just keeping my eyes sharp with the cars out there. I was on some major highway today. It was a little scary, but I was talking with Chris, and everything was cool there. And it's going good. And my campground is fucking amazing. I'll show you in the morning. But day 8 complete, 67 miles done. I'm out of the hills. I'm getting down to the plains. I might cross Ohio tomorrow. So, good eating, and see you. I'll show you the campground tomorrow. It's beautiful. Alright, over and out. Fire report. 2012. This thing is out of control. I don't know if it's like not coming up that great on this. No, it looks good. Monster fire going on. Thank you, Dave, so much for all the wood. It's a lot. I'm about to hit the hay, but this fire is fucking raging. It is burning the grass around it. I had to move back the picnic table. Honestly, I'm a little afraid that it's out of control. Things are going. Good night. Okay, good morning. Day 9. Kicking it off. Just walking across this lovely bridge across Hare Creek. Here's the creek. There's the beautiful sunrise. This bridge is actually a bus frame from 1940, which is crazy, awesome. Just gives it so much history, like everything else. Yeah, I had the most fortunate luck. Dave and his wife took me in and gave me hot dogs and beers and matches and all sorts of stuff, and a huge amount of fire. He made the fire for me. Insanely nice. I got all this land back here to myself. Where am I at? I'm all the way back by this huge tree. I've just been hanging out. It's been a pretty good night. Not too really scared of bears anymore. But you know, I guess anything could happen. But I'm gonna make my way to Ohio today. And try to get onto another flight and surprise Jessica for her birthday. It's the 10th. I forget what day it is today. It's like maybe the 8th or something like that. But I don't know. Got my set up here, hanging tough. The river, bike, everything's nice. This fire was huge. Dad would be proud. The thing was gigantic. So I got 66 miles to Ohio. Not sure where Evergreen Campgrounds is, but that's where I'm headed. I'm gonna figure it out. I'll stay there. The next day I'll just take Route 5 up to the airport and just try to get things rolling, get back to life. So it's been good. Hopefully my fortune continues with me, and I think it will. I hope it does. And yeah, see you in Ohio. Mr. Whiskers. How are you? What's up, buddy? Huh? You like that, huh? You're a nice cat. Hanging with the cat. Yes! Woo! All right. Well, that's it. Ohio welcomes me, Connauet, where I'll be staying at Evergreen Campgrounds tonight. Just a couple miles up the road. This is it. Oh man, it's been a long 9 days. And now I'm done. And pretty much here. Amazing experience. Whole thing. So much fun. Still a little bit more to go, but yeah, for the most part, it's all done. So I am gonna try to sneak home and get to Jess's by the 10th. It's the 7th today. Staying up at Prequel Island on Lake Erie tomorrow. It's like 20 or 30 miles away. Well, I'm here. It's been great. I'm gonna get up into Evergreen Campground, set up, and shit, feeling good. Yeah. Woo! Okay, so that concludes a Pennsylvania bike ride. It was extremely rolling winds, and lots of hills, and lots of fracking trucks, but so beautiful, so much heritage, so much history, so old towns. It was really patriotic going through the entire event. And now I'm here, no view, watching the sunset. I crossed the Ohio border earlier today. I was going to camp in Ohio, but I said, fuck that. I'm going to Lake Erie. And a couple more miles down the road. But it's so worth it. I got my swim trunks on. We'll jump in there a little bit. But I'm going to try to fly back. See Jessica on her birthday. I hope things work out at the airport. I don't know, it's going to be very difficult. But all in all, great success, huge adventure, tons of free stuff. It's so much fun. Yep. Very happy, very pleased. So I'm in here, watch the sunset, and over and out.
Mom and Dad went to a show. They dropped me off at Grandpa Joe's. I kicked and screamed, so please no. Grandma, take me home. 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 I had to eat my dinner there. Mashed potatoes and stuff like that. I couldn't chew my meat too good. Grandma, take me home. 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 Said, why don't you stop crying? Go outside and ride your bike. That's what I did. I killed my toes. Grandma, take me home. 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 After dinner I had ice cream. I fell asleep and watched TV. I woke up in my mother's arms. Grandma, take me home. 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 While I be alone.
Good morning. Captain Brian Kelly here. Getting ready for departure. Stayed at the Virginia Beach campgrounds. And This little fire right here. Some deer came and stole Bill's Jetboil, which blows. I thought it was a bear, so I laid so still that my hand went completely numb. It sucked. I felt bad, but you know what? This view, I'll show you. That's all Lake Erie out here. So I'm just right on this grassy knoll, right over the water. Stars were absolutely beautiful last night. Exactly what I was looking for. So things are going good. I'm going to continue up Route 5 on this nice sunny day. I'm going to try to get in the airport and just try to get on home. Alright. So I'm on my way to the airport, but I saw Lake Erie Community Park. I figured I'd stop by, and it was so worth it out here. Just chilling on this little stump. Yeah. Erie. It's nice. It's like a really steep drop off, so. A lot of fun. Still some good sights to see, so definitely enjoying my time. Trying to hurry back for Jess's birthday. I wish she were here. She would love me. It's cool little birds and stuff out here, so loving it.